spend a day with me. We're going to attend our economics tutorial. There is no tutorial, and guess what didn't read the emails? Specifically, but at least I have time to practice my speech. So, good morning, class. I'm taking a digestion walk to the library to study. Yeah, I needed to bring water, guys. I'm nervous, guys, for the presentation, but what I practice, so we will kill it, okay? It's a wrap, and I have nothing to say other than it's cold. I'm done studying for the day. I still have to go to the gym and probably still study, but then now I'm going home. Thank you, man. Only. Just when I was about to go, it starts raining. What bad luck is this? Like, no. Run postponed, I guess. So let's go and hit leg day.